Hi, and welcome to Real Talk English in Espanol. I'm Chris, and I'm really glad you're here. On this channel, you'll learn English and Spanish through real conversations, the way people actually speak in everyday life. If you enjoy learning in a natural and relaxed way, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. Today, we're going to learn English and Spanish slowly.
Hola a todos. Hoy vamos a practicar juntos. Repeat with us and don't worry if it feels slow.
Yes, slow is good. Slow means you are learning. Hi, Sofia. How are you?
Hola, Chris. I am fine. Estoy bien.
Let's repeat together. How are you? ¿Cómo estás? I am fine. Estoy bien.
Good morning, Chris.
Good morning. Buenos días. What is your name?
My name is Sofia. Me llamo Sofia.
Nice to meet you.
Mucho gusto.
Sofia, where are you?
I am at my house. Estoy en mi casa.
House. Casa.
I have food in my house.
Food. Comida. Do you drink water?
Yes, I drink water every day. Sí, bebo agua todos los días.
Water. Agua.
Chris, do you walk?
Yes. I walk every day. Camino todos los días.
Walk. Caminar.
Do you have a friend?
Yes, you are my friend.
Tú eres mi amigo. Friend. Amigo.
Chris, I want coffee.
I want coffee. Quiero café. Do you need help?
Yes, I need help. Necesito ayuda.
Can you help me?
¿Puedes ayudarme?
I understand.
Entiendo.
I don't understand.
No entiendo.
Let me tell a short story. One day, I met Sofia. She wanted to learn English, and I wanted to learn Spanish. At first, we didn't understand each other, but every day we practiced. We used simple words: house, casa, food, comida, water, agua, and slowly we improved. So remember, small steps every day.
Chris, how can people improve their Spanish?
Good question. First, practice every day.
Practice every day. Practicar cada día.
Second, speak out loud.
Habla en voz alta.
Third, don't be afraid.
No tengas miedo. Let's repeat everything slowly. How are you? ¿Cómo estás? I am fine. Estoy bien. House, casa, food, comida. Water, agua. Walk, caminar. Friend, amigo. Thank you for practicing with us.
Come back tomorrow and keep learning.
See you soon. Hasta pronto. Thank you so much for listening to Real Talk English and Espanol. We really appreciate you being here and learning with us. Remember, learning a language takes time, so be patient with yourself and keep practicing. If you enjoyed this episode, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss future lessons. We have many more conversations and practical lessons coming your way. See you next time. And keep speaking with confidence.